So, good evening, almost good morning. Today is May 13, 2025. How's life? How are you guys? So, where are you guys? May nanonood, no? This is just some update regarding about our 2025 plan. Ang plano natin sa buhay. I remember doing the first video last May 1st, if I'm not mistaken. And this is just something that for a follow-up, kaya update kung anong mangyayari na. Now, I'm currently working at answering emails, which is okay, that sucks, but currently anxious about it because on the 2nd of June, that would be next month, it would be our regularization, and I am failing, man. So not because I'm stupid or dumb, because I don't know what to do or how to do it, but it's just me. I'm just too careless about a lot of things, especially sa trabaho to. I know what to do, I know what I've been doing, I know how to do it. It's just me and my laziness. Yan talaga yung main issue ng sa trabaho, not just in work, but technically in life. My main dilemma is my laziness. Ang laki kong tamad na tao. To the point that just to cater my laziness, I will do a lot of things to make my job easy so I can be lazy again. That doesn't make sense. So, stupid. But then again, I'm still thankful. I'm still blessed to have a job. I don't know if I still have it next month, but I hope so. I pray so. Yun lang. And then later, tomorrow morning or later this day, connected sa plan natin to set up, to create a man cave, just to make sure that we appreciate being solo right now. There are things that will be coming. There are some materials or parcels that I've ordered this past few days, just to set up this small space that I currently stay in. And then I don't know how to do it or why should I do it, but I want to record it, how I'll be setting up this room, what would be the plan for this room, what would be the before and after. Because currently now, ito siya, isa lang siyang malaki block. Hindi mo siya block. Kasi pero lagyan nyo kanina, but ganun ito lang siya, isa lang siyang malaking kwarto, and then taas is yung bed. But what I'm planning is I'll be adding something there. Also sa side na to, mag-add ng curtains, some sort, ilaw, and I'm currently watching Thunderbolts pala while working. So that is my update for today. Then let's see what is going to happen this past few days, this next few days, or maybe later, or will I be recording this setup? I don't know, but you know, just sharing and just to add another video on the YouTube account that I created. Yun lang. Peace.